Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we have a haul today, kind of a big one, and it got cool. It was beautiful yesterday temperature wise, but today it's dreary and bleh. So it's a lot of stuff. So let's get started. And if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a comer backer, please comment and thumbs up and ring that bell, because it's the only way you'll get notifications. And yeah, so anyways, it really helps out the channel. They kind of don't like this genre, so a lot of us get shadow banned, and so help us get in that algorithm, please. And for those of you that have been here for a while and stick with me, I want to say thank you. And to all of you that watch the videos, especially watch them all the way through, I appreciate you so much. So anyways, let's get started. So we'll start with the little thing here. Got some, this is like a generic Tums. So I got that to put on the shelf. They were $5 for 150 chewable tablets, and these are peppermint. And you can also buy peppermint candies, the hard candies. Those also help with heartburn. I got the best fitting panty in the world. That's what it says. And I got the best fitting undershirt in the world. We'll see, but you might want to add to your clothing, your essential clothing and stuff, socks, underwear, shoes, things like that, just to make sure you have them. I've heard of a lot of people having trouble finding their sizes or certain things at the stores now, so you just might want to get them, plus while they're, still in the affordable range. I got a package of chili seasoning mix. We got a can of the Keystone pork. I can a lot of meat, but I still buy canned meat as well. The backup to the backup to the backup. You have the freezer, the pantry, and whatever you preserve yourself. You can still find candy on sale from Halloween. So I got this box of caramel apple pops, and they were $7.99, and I don't know how many you get. 48 lollipops. So those are always a good morale booster, or if you have to bribe the children, or whatever. I got a 3-pack of these potato pancake mix. All you need is egg and water to make these, so you could use your dried powdered whole eggs to make these. They have the potato and everything you need in them, and I like the Manischewitz, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, brand of items. So yeah, 2 eggs, cold water, and your potato pancake mix, and a little bit of oil, and you've got potato pancakes. And they're seasoned and everything. I got a 3-pack of Slap Ya Mama, 3 different flavors of Cajun seasoning, the original blend, white pepper blend, and the hot blend. And that was $9 for the 3-pack, so about $3 a can. I got an 8-pack of the Barilla spaghetti, and it was $9.98, I believe. I got a 6-pack of the Campbell sauces sesame chicken skillet, and I got a box of 6 for $13.07. And you just add your chicken. So far I've liked the ones that I've tried. And the same thing with the Campbell's Skillet Shrimp Scampi. So we have our freeze-dried shrimp, and I have shrimp in the freezer. Or you could do chicken or whatever. I got the Takis taco shells. I really like these. A lot of flavor. Just adds a little zhuzh to your tacos and gives you that feel of going out and getting some junk food, but you really made it at home. And it's way cheaper and way better. I got 2 boxes of the Taco Bell soft taco dinner kit, but I was thinking you could also use this to make quesadillas or whatever. And they come with 10 soft tortillas, the Taco Bell mild sauce, and the taco seasoning. So you just add whatever else you want. So I got 2 of those. And these were two something for just the shells. I think they're $2.99 for the kit that comes with the seasonings and the sauce. I got 4 bottles of this Korean barbecue. It's the kalabi marinade. You can use this with pork and chicken. It's really good. It's an apple and pear. It's really good stuff. And you can also use it in like your fried rice or whatever. You can use it in a million ways. Do stir fries, what have you. I got a 4-pack of those. And then I got 1 bottle of the spicy marinade. And these are just really yummy. So you can use them with any of your canned meats, your fresh meats, your freeze-dried meats. You've seen my freeze-dried pork chops and steaks and things like that I've been buying over the last couple of years. I would go check out your Asian stores and whatever you can find on sale with the sauces and rices and things like that. Pick them up and add them to your pantry, because if we have to eat, rice and things like that, you'll want to be able to zhuzh them up. I got a 12-pack of chunked ham. You can't really see the can, but these are good to use like if you have store-bought canned pinto beans, dry pinto beans, your home canned pinto beans. Add a can of smoked chopped ham and you've got a nice bean soup. I did a video on that. With a box of your cornbread or your cornmeal, make some cornbread. And that's a nice meal, especially in the winter. I got a container of the dill pickle mix just to make sure I have all the spices and seasonings I need for pickles. I won't be buying too much more of that because I got a lot of pickles this year. It was hot as heck for the garden, but the cucumbers did well. I made a box of blueberry muffins, so this is a replacement to the blueberry muffins that I made. I got a case of pizza sauce. This was $8.94 or something like that on Amazon Subscribe and Save. I have put that link in some of my videos. I will put it down below. I'm pretty sure it's still the same price, and I think even if you don't get it Subscribe and Save, it's like $9.11 for 12 cans of pizza sauce, so that's a pretty good deal. I got a 12-pack of sweet peas. These were at Walmart and they were $6.98. And I got a 6-pack, or not a 6-pack, a case. These are all cases, 12 cans of the Bush's cannellini beans. And you can use those in like a lot of Italian recipes, or add some to your hummus when you're making hummus, and it'll help make it nice and creamy. Add a white bean to your hummus and it comes out really nice. I got from Freeze Dry Wholesalers a packet of freeze-dried Monterey Jack cheese. These cheeses do rehydrate well and melt well in recipes. So if you haven't tried freeze-dried cheese, that is a good way to have cheese on the shelf. I also canned some cheese yesterday. That video's up. I got some freeze-dried diced tomatoes just because I think a lot of the freeze-dried vegetables and what have you rehydrate better than dehydrated. So I have a little bit of everything canned, dehydrated, freeze-dried, but freeze-dried tomatoes and some things, broccolis, things like that, are just much better. And that would apply to freeze-dried onions. They're closer to fresh onion when you rehydrate them than the dehydrated, so it's just to add some variety to my staples. And then I got a new solar shower just because I wasn't keen on the one I already had. And this is good for emergencies, but it's also good in the summer if you have a pool and you want the kids to rinse off before coming in the house from playing or whatever, in the sprinklers, what have you. So this holds 5 gallons. It's also a good way to warm water if you have to. So got that. I got this watt meter to use with my appliances or whatever I may want to use in a solar generator. So I have a little one and I don't want to blow it up. I'm saving for bigger, but you do what you can with what you got. So I have a little one, so I want to make sure that I know what I'm doing when I use that. So I don't want to ruin any of my stuff. And then I got a 4-pack of spray bottles just because we use a lot of spray bottles in various applications. So we have some that we use inside for cleaning and such, and then we have some that we use for outside, like the garden and things like that. So a good thing to have on hand just in case for all sorts of stuff. Excuse me. I think these temperature fluctuations are messing with me. So that is, oh, and I got these. These are mouse traps. I don't know how to use them. I've not seen them this type before, but they're reusable. So I'm going to put these in the garage just because I don't want any mice thinking this is their winter vacation home. Especially being we all are storing food. So this is the mouse trap. I'll let my husband do the figuring of that. So I got those and I'll put them around in the garage. And I don't know if we should put some in the shed just to make sure or not. I have a possum living under there. So yeah, got those. So that is my haul. It's not ginormous, but it's not little. So I'm going to put this all away and do some housework. Sweep the floors, mop the things. So I hope you all are doing well. I hope you have power. I hope you are warm. And yeah, you stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video.